everyone, I am Shruti Mathur. I am owner at Madhyakala. So we are a brand from Madhya Pradesh. We are promoting handlooms, textiles and prints from Madhya Pradesh. We have Bagh print from Bagh village in Madhya Pradesh. This is a Mal cotton sari. This is the body of the sari. This is the palla. And the colors that you see are all natural dyes. There is no chemical color involved. The black color, the maroon color, everything is natural dyed using natural ingredients only. The black is from the rust of the iron and the red is from tamarind paste and alizarin. So this is a pure Mal cotton Bagh printed sari. It is made in the village of Bagh in Madhya Pradesh. There are different blocks, different colors used. It's all natural dyed. There is no chemical color involved. There is maroon, there is green, there is black color in this. This is made in the Bagh village of Madhya Pradesh. The speciality of there is this is washed in the Baghni river which has high copper content. When it is washed in the river and sun dried, it will make the color permanent. It will never bleed. Beautiful, a very soft fabric, everything. And one sari takes about 20 to 25 days to make. And similarly for the suits and the stoles also. To make one sari, it takes quite a lot of efforts from the artisans. So this is pure Mulberry silk sari. The fall of the sari is very great. It is very good for the weather, for warm weather, and this is a very cold fabric. The whole sari is on pure fabric. And the color that you see is a black color which is made from the rust of iron and the tamarind paste. This sari has taken about 45 days to be made. It goes through 16-step process. The fabric is conditioned using castor oil. It is boiled in water, washed in the river and then sun dried. Similarly, 16 steps are taken to finally get this print done. This is all designer blocks. It has beautiful patterns of the blocks here. These blocks that we see, big, floral, are very native to Bagh, and this is how it is different. And this is a GI tagged product from Madhya Pradesh. Kota Doria sari. It has Bagh blocks all over it. This is the body of the sari, and this is the palla. Now if you see on the palla, there are multiple blocks used. There is chevron, there is floral, there is paisley, and the colors again are all natural. There is hues of earthy colors only. So if you see the collection, it's only earthy natural colors. There is black and maroon. It is a beautiful sari. It has a blouse made of cotton, pure cotton it is. Very nice, very light. If you see, the color is very neutral, very earthy here. This color is known as the ochre color. This is also developed naturally using natural dyes. All the dye elements come from the nature. Either it is from the plants or the leaves or the soil. It has beautiful bark prints all over it. So there are different kinds of blocks used. If you see here, this is a different block. This one is a different block. This has a different block. And this is the palla. If you see, paisley is a native of Bagh. So wherever you see these big paisley blocks, it means that it is from Bagh. And this is all made in the village of Bagh from Madhya Pradesh. This is a beautiful stole of Bagh print. This is built on mulberry silk. It has zari at the bottom and it has different blocks, designer blocks used here. So there is use of square blocks in a different pattern. Some are used vertically, some are used horizontally. It's a beautiful shiny piece. You can wear it on Indian wear, Western wear. The colors again are all natural. It is made in the village of Bagh. Black is from the rust of irons and you see a lot of earthy colors in here. It is washed in the Baghni river. That's how the color gets permanent. It will never bleed from your cloth even if you wash it by hand. This is a Maheshwari suit from Bagh. The fabric is from a town in Madhya Pradesh known as Maheshwar. The weavers there make the fabric and then we have done the Bagh printing on it. So the fabric is from Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh and the printing is done in Bagh village of Madhya Pradesh. So this is a beautiful three-piece suit. The intricacy and the luxury that you see in this is very beautiful. It has all different blocks used in it. There's a beautiful zari at the sides. If you see how intricate the work is, the middle design is different, the borders are different, and the bottom is very different. This is all natural color, all done by hand. All the bark printing, the washing, the drying, everything is done by hand. The village of Madhya Pradesh. This is a beautiful genuine leather bag made using hand. The fabric that is used here is bark print modal silk. It is turned into a bag using leftover clothes. So one piece of bag utilizes half a meter of bark print. This is the back of the bag. If I open the bag, it has beautiful cotton lining as well. It is a sling bag, very spacious, and the material used here is the bark print. So you can carry it by hand or you can hang it on your shoulders as well. Beautiful side prints as well. So even the stitching on the bag using the leather is done using hands. So it is all handmade completely, right from the fabric into getting this into a bag. It's all handmade. This is a beautiful bark print sari and the material used here is kota silk. This is the overall of the body, the sari body, and these are all square blocks that are used. So if you look at it together, it looks like a same print, but if you look closely, you will see the definitions of the different blocks used here. This is the front of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. If you see, there are so many layers of the blocks that are used in the palla. So when you wear it, it all comes together and flows together. Looks very beautiful. And the material is kota silk. So the kota silk is sourced from Rajasthan and then it is turned and made into a bark print sari. This is a mulberry silk sari. The whole sari is pure mulberry silk sourced from Madhya Pradesh. This is the body of the sari. If you see here, these are all vertical lines. So when you wear it, it will come in vertical stripes. Each of this is a different pattern. This is a different block, this is a different block, and it is all hand block printed into the body of the sari. This is the palla of the sari. Very beautiful bagh motifs are used. This one is known as the keri block, very prominent in the bagh prints. So all sizes of keris, different designs of keris can be seen in the saris and every product of the bagh. This is the pan patta and this is the ambi block that is there. So it is a beautiful layer of at least 8 to 10 layers of blocks just on the palla. It has a nice fall of the sari, very cool fabric. You can wear it in the summers, you can wear it in the winters as well. I am Shruti, I am owner of Madhyakala. We are from Madhya Pradesh. You can follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle name is Madhyakala and you will find us there. You will get to see all beautiful textiles, handlooms and handcrafts of Madhya Pradesh there. Thank you so much.